Welcome to Vikas Handlooms from Pochampally. So today I'm introducing my sarees. This is 3D saree. This is pallu. This is blouse. And this is complete saree with 3D. In this border you can see deer's pattern, and middle of the saree it's yellow with red dots, and third design with pink and white dots. This is complete saree. There are color options in this saree. And this is one more saree. It's pallu. It's pallu. And this is red blouse. In this border you can see three shades. One is tissue, one is light, and this is multicolor saree. It's a rare combination. In this border you can see waves and temple border, and with lotus design and with tree design. This is multi-shade color, and this is complete saree. And this is one more saree with this is pallu. In this pallu you can see deers, and this is blouse. Blouse is with blue color with tissue border, and this is complete saree. In this first saree you have seen with yellow with black combination, and this is second color combination, blue with deers, and this middle yellow with red dots, pink with white dots. This is second color option. For first we have seen here. And this is half tissue. It's a self design. This is pallu. This is pallu with half tissue. This is blouse. Blouse is with red combination. And this is complete saree. In this you can see 3 or 4 shades, madam. One is with temple border, and middle of this tissue you can see tree with elephants and lotus design. On the upper of the lotus design you can see parrots with tree design. In this middle of the saree you can see tree design, elephants and lotus flower design. This is complete saree. You can see one more color in the same design. This is self green color. This is pallu, and this is blouse with green combination. And middle of this saree is green color with navy blue combination. In this design you can see border of the design you can see elephants, trees and flower design, and in middle of the saree you can see elephants, flowers and tree design. This is also rare combination. You can see more color in this saree. And this is orange combination in the same design. This is pallu. And this is blouse. It's completely a half tissue, madam. And in this border you can see green combination. This is orange with green combination. In this border you can see elephant, trees and flower design. In this middle of the saree you can see flower design, tree design and elephants. This is also a rare combination. You can see complete saree view. There are color options in this pattern also. And this is one more color in the same design. This is pallu. This is blouse. Blouse is also with red combination with half tissue, and middle of the saree color is red with green combination. In this border you can see elephants, trees and flowers, and this middle of the saree color is red with flower design, green trees and elephants. This is a complete saree view. And there is one more saree in the same design itself, pink with green combination. This is pallu. This is blouse. Blouse is pink shade, and middle of the saree is with pink combination and green. And in this border you can see elephants, trees and parrots. Middle of the saree color is pink with white diamonds and elephants and trees. It's a rare combination. You can see the complete saree view. And this is one more pattern in the ikat sarees. This is pallu. This is blouse. In this blouse border you can see two types of border. One is with jari and one is with tissue. Blouse color is pink. And this is whole saree with purple and pink combination. In this border you can see temple design. In temple design there are two colors. One is with grey color and one is with yellow combination. And upper you can see peacocks in different colors. And upper on this you can see tissue with white dots, and middle of the saree is purple with lotus design, and lotus color is white. This is complete saree view. You can see more colors in the same pattern. This is our product from Vikas Handlooms, and this is same design in the same pattern. This is pallu. And in this pallu you can see jari. In this previous saree there was a design, that peacock design, and this is we have designed with jari border. And this is pallu. In this pallu you can see jari and tissue. This is navy blue combination. This is blouse, and this is complete saree view. It's red combination with blue, and middle of the saree color is red with lotus design. Lotus design is white, and this border you can see two types of temple design. One is with orange and one is with yellow, and with peacock design. And upper of the peacock there is tissue with white dots. In middle of the saree is red with lotus design. You can see the complete saree view. This is also product from Vikas Handlooms. And this is one more design. In the same design, one more color combination. It's a rare combination, copper sulphate blue with peacock design. And this is blouse. Blouse is with copper sulphate blue with two types of tissue. One is in tissue with tissue and jari. It's a copper sulphate blouse, and this is complete saree view. It's pink color with copper sulphate blue combination, and this in border you can see two types of colors. One is with orange and one is with yellow combination.